Hello, thank you very much for joining me. My name is Naomi and I'm very glad that you could join me today. Welcome to my Swahili lessons. Now in this first lesson, you're going to learn how to greet in Kiswahili. You're also going to learn how to respond when greeted, how to introduce yourself, and how to ask a person's name. Culture tip: we love greetings. They're very important to us. So that's why, of course, I'm starting with greetings, right? Okay, so greeting number 1, hujambo. Hujambo means, is there nothing wrong with you? Yes, that's how we do it. Hujambo. That you use this greeting when you're speaking to one person, hujambo. But when you're talking to 2 or more people, you say jambo. Hamjambo. So, to one person, hujambo. Hujambo. To 2 or more people, hamjambo. Now, how do you respond when someone tells you hujambo? You say sijambo, which means there's nothing wrong with me. Sijambo. So, hujambo, sijambo. Good. And when there are 2 of you and someone tells you hamjambo, how do you respond? Hatujambo. There's nothing wrong with us. Hatujambo. Hamjambo, hatujambo. Greeting number 2, habari yako. That means, what's your news? Habari yako. And then you respond by saying nzuri. Good. Habari yako. Nzuri. But when you're greeting more than one person, so when you're greeting 2 people or more, you're going to say habari zenu. And the response still is good. Nzuri. Habari zenu. Nzuri. So, habari yako. Nzuri. Habari zenu. Nzuri. Greeting number 3, mambo. No, mambo means what's up. Mambo. And the response for that is mambo. Did you say poa? Great. Now, I will teach you how to introduce yourself. And there are 2 ways. You could say, mimi ninaitwa Naomi. Mimi ninaitwa Naomi. I am called Naomi. Or you could say, jina langu ni Naomi. Jina langu ni Naomi. My name is Naomi. So, mimi ninaitwa Naomi. Jina langu ni Naomi. And if you want to ask someone what their name is, you're going to say, jina lako ni nani? Jina lako ni nani? What's your name? Or, wewe unaitwa nani? Wewe unaitwa nani? What are you called? So, let's do a recap. Hujambo. You said sijambo, I hope? Good. Habari yako. Jina langu ni Naomi. Jina lako ni nani? Thank you. Mimi ninaitwa Naomi. Wewe unaitwa nani? Thank you for responding. So thank you very much. Please join me in my next lesson. I am going to teach you some polite expressions.